Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, guys, you are highly welcome. So to my old subscriber, guys, thank you so much, and to my students, you all know I love you so much. And if you want to join the online training class, training is going on, so already don't miss this class. If you miss this class, now you know. So if you want to join my online training class, just click on the description box below. On the description box, not comment section, description box below. My number is there, my Instagram page is there, my Facebook page is also there, so you can contact me through anyone, okay? And you can register for your online training class, and the training comes in a recipe note and also videos and certificate, guys. And we are also going to put you through on how to sell your product in sites, and I'm also going to let you know where you can get your perfect original ingredient, like no fake, where you can get your ingredients and how you're going to sell your product. So feel free to come and register and join the online training class, okay? So guys, today what are we doing today? So today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make sunburn spray. Like, guys, you really need this spray. It's a simple recipe. Yes, it's not a video recipe, okay? It's a very simple recipe. I'm going to be telling you the ingredients, and I'm going to be telling you the measurement, guys. So get your just pause the video first, guys. Pause the video, get your pen and your paper, so that as I'm talking, you can be writing out the ingredient and also the measurement. Is a very simple recipe. This one is better, is good, is great, okay? You just make your sunburn spray, you put it inside your bag anywhere you're going to, you know, normal spray now, on your face, on your face. Even if you also have makeup, you can see sprays on your face, on your face, just like that, just like the way we have our normal setting spray. After you finish doing your makeup, you know, we still have this finishing spray. You spray it on your face. So this is how you're going to be spraying your sunburn facial spray on your face. And for those that are selling in the market, like we have most of our African sisters, they do sell in the market. Some do sell under the sun, and some of them that they are always on the sun, they're always on the street, maybe going to one place or the other, going to work, coming back from work, doing one or two things under the sun. You have your spray. You just have your spray inside your bag, your sun spray. You can spray it like 20 times. You can spray it even more than 20 times as you want. Just normal as your makeup spray. You can spray it more than 20 times as you want. It will just keep your face calm. It will just prevent sunburn. Use this spray every time I'm going out. Even after my makeup is what I also use, just to keep my face safe from the sun. So guys, get your book and your paper if you want to get popcorn. Oh, so I'm going to be bringing out the recipe from my recipe book, okay? So these are some things I do teach on my training, okay? But just that for my training, when it comes to the training, it has to do with videos, and it also has to do with lots of explanation, you know. Also has to do with, like, if you cannot use this, you can use this, that and that. So guys, I'm coming, looking for the page. So guys, how to make a natural sunburn spray at home. So all you're going to need is just 4 ingredients. Shikina, you're not using much. 4 ingredients, guys. So all you need, we need aloe vera gel, okay? You need aloe vera gel. If you cannot get the aloe vera gel, you can use aloe vera hydrosol, okay? You can use aloe vera hydrosol or aloe vera gel, anyone that you want. That one is the first ingredient, okay, guys? Aloe vera gel or aloe vera hydrosol. So for some people, they still will not know what is hydrosol. Aloe vera water. So the second ingredient here is lavender essential oil, okay? Lavender essential oil is the other ingredients you're going to need to make your spray, guys. Lavender essential oil. The first ingredient is your aloe vera gel. Second ingredient is your lavender essential oil. Please make sure you're getting the lavender essential oil, not lavender fragrance, guys. Fragrance is different from essential oil. Essential oil comes in a very small bottle, but really expensive. It can come in a 5 ml bottle. It can come in a 10 ml bottle. Don't be surprised, even that 5 ml bottle, you can even buy it for 50 euro. Okay, so there is difference between fragrance oil and essential oil. Fragrance oil is just going to give you that nice smell, but yes, fragrance oil is going to give you that nice smell, but essential oil comes with a nice smell and also skin benefits. Okay, and then the other ingredient is peppermint essential oil, right? So the first ingredient is aloe vera gel. The second ingredient is lavender essential oil. The third ingredient is peppermint essential oil, and we are using the base. We have a base which is water, guys. The base is water. Of course, anything we want to make, apart from making pure oil products, anything you want to make that has to do with liquid, we need water. So we are going to be using water. Okay, guys, the first ingredient is aloe vera gel. Second is lavender essential oil. Third is peppermint essential oil, and the other one, which is water. 4 ingredients. So now I'm going to tell you the measurements that you can use in making your product. So just write the measurements down. Okay, so you need 1 cup of water. Okay, guys, 1 cup of water. That is what you need. Just 1 cup of water. When I mean 1 cup of water, not a big cup. Maybe I will say 1 cup of water and you just get a cup that has to do with 500 ml. No, okay, guys, just get a cup of water, which is like 100 grams. Yes, get 100 grams of water. Cup of water that contains 100 grams of water inside. And the other thing we have to add to it, you add 1.5 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Okay, not teaspoon, sorry, tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So you have to mix it so that the aloe vera gel can easily dissolve inside your water. So guys, take note, if you don't have aloe vera gel, you can get aloe vera hydrosol, or you can even get aloe vera powder. Perfectly, you can get aloe vera powder, guys. So you get 1 cup of water, which is 100 ml. You get 1.5 tablespoon of your aloe vera gel, and you get your 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Just a drop. If you open the cover of your essential oil, you just drop it 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of lavender essential oil and 2 drops of your peppermint essential oil. So this is how you make it. You have your 1 cup of water ready. You take 1.5 tablespoon of your what is this called, aloe vera gel. You add it inside the water and you stir it. Make sure everything is properly dissolved, like really properly dissolved. Then you come and add your lavender essential oil, 3 drops inside, and you add your 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. All you do, you pour it back into any container, like a white any spray container. Just get a spray container. Make sure that the container is properly washed, clean, and you have to spray it also with alcohol. Okay, so you pour back your liquid inside your container and you give it a thoroughly mix. Just give it a mix and you are good to go. Put it in your handbag. Anywhere you're going to, you take your spray. Shh. Like you're moisturizing your face, just like your normal flowers. Now, during the sun, you will see that is when we normally wetting the flowers. When we have too much of sun, you see we go there and we wetting the flowers. So if you're working under the sun, you're doing your business under the sun, you can just stay and take your spray and you spray it on your face. And before you spray it, guys, always shake it. Remember, we have oils inside, which is the essential oils. So you have to shake it so that the oils and the water can mix up properly. So you shake it before you spray it on your face anytime anytime. You can do it 5 times in a day as far that you are under the sun. Okay, if you're feeling that your face is feeling you're having too much of this dryness under the sun, you know, there's a way the sun will hit your face will be like your face want to tear. It will look as if it want to tear, like it's stretchy. So you have to spray your face. You see, once you spray your face, you feel that calmness on your face, you feel that relieved on your face. You know, it's just going to protect your face from sunburn, because when it comes to aloe vera gel, it's #1 treatment for sunburn. When it comes to lavender essential oil, is also a great treatment for sunburn. When it comes to peppermint essential oil, is a great treatment for sunburn. And the water there normal is just to water your face, like moisturize your face, soak your face, you know, wetting your face to give your face that plumpy moisture to prevent dryness. Okay, so I hope that you understand this recipe very well. Okay, please take note. If you don't understand the recipe very well, just replay it again. Simple ingredients: 4 ingredients, water, aloe vera gel, lavender essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. So it's just a very simple recipe. Then you can put it inside your handbag and spray it. So if you want to use it on top of your makeup, like your finished makeup spray, good, perfect. Spray it on your face just to prevent your face from getting burned whenever you are under the sun, guys. So that is it. This is what I'll be doing. So me, I don't go to market to buy a spray like face spray or buying even this makeup spray. I don't buy makeup spray. I do my makeup spray. You know, it's not everything you're going to buy from the market now. Just try and do yours. You know, this DIY is the epiloss, like the epiloss. Try and just do yours and formulate yours, and you are good to go. Imagine you go and buy spray from the market. It's the same thing that will miss inside. It's the same thing. Just get a spray in the market, read the ingredients inside. It's the same thing. You must see aloe vera something there. You know, just the same thing. Water and some stuff. That is it. Nothing special inside. Like, oh, you want to buy, you must buy this facial spray. No, nothing special inside. Do yours at home and use on your face. Water your face, and you're going to love your skin. It's going to prevent sunburn on your face, guys. So that is it. We have done the video for the sunburn oil on the skin, and this one is the sunburn oil for the face. So if you have not watched the sunburn oil for the skin, go back and watch that video, then you can come and watch this one. And the next one we're going to do also is a sunburn cream. Okay, so we're also going to do it like this, no video. If you want lecture class, if you want training class, come do video. You go get all the benefits well, but this one is okay now. Okay, guys. Thank you very much, and I'm still again, guys. So I'm going to see you soon in my other new video, guys. Peace out.